Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play Destiny 2 PvP. To start, you need to understand the various game modes and their objectives within the Crucible. Choosing the correct subclass and exotic armor for your preferred playstyle is crucial for success. Additionally, developing strong map awareness and mastering effective positioning will give you a significant edge over your opponents. These foundational elements are key to improving your gameplay. Next, let's talk about optimizing your loadout. Carefully select weapons that synergize with your chosen subclass and abilities, creating a cohesive strategy. Focus on weapon perks that significantly enhance crucial stats such as stability, range, or handling for better performance. Furthermore, customize your armor mods to boost vital stats like recovery, intellect, or discipline, tailoring your Guardian to your specific needs. Once paired, you will need to grant essential permissions for your smartwatch to function correctly, such as access to notifications and health data. Dive into the application settings to customize your watch face, set activity goals, and manage which apps send alerts to your wrist. Remember to sync your contacts and calendar for a truly integrated experience. This personalization enhances your daily use. Finally, teamwork and communication are vital for consistent victories. Always stick with your teammates to focus fire on opponents and revive fallen allies promptly. Effectively communicate enemy positions, super activations, and callouts to coordinate your efforts. Be prepared to adapt your strategy based on the opposing team's composition and playstyle, ensuring you always stay one step ahead.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.